What's up, guys? It's Johnny back with another upload. I want to do a little update. I got these door lights and I've been holding on to them for it's been about a week now they've been installed. So we're going to take a look. It's dark. I only did the front. I have to do the back too, but I just want to check it out, see how it works. Let's go take a look and see. See, it's pretty dark out here right now. It's been holding up pretty well. Look at that. I got some light on out here too now. Not bad, huh? It's dark now, but there's a button you can turn it off if you want, or it has an auto shut off. But that looks pretty good. Yeah, it's still pretty bright. You love that. Let's see if this one's still on. Yep. It'll shut off, I think, after a minute or two. It's got an auto shut off feature. Then there's a magnet in here. There's a magnet right there. That when this thing passes it, it shuts off. Yep. There you go.